Hello folks, welcome back. This video is going to go over how to do blink mechanic, mouth movement, and emotion toggles for uploading VRChat avatars. Last video we used this space to go over how to set up a VRChat avatar. I highly recommend you go watch that first because that's where you'll get all of the information for this video. So after we've added all of that descriptor stuff, we're going to go here and we're going to look up advanced, and it'll be the first thing that pops up if you have VRCFury installed. This is going over basically everything to do with VRCFury. We're going to click on that, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Visemes that we know this avatar has. It should be linked up to a blend shape. You're going to go to the add action button and you're going to click blend shape, and it'll pop this up. Click the search button and find what blend shape links up to that Viseme sound. And so you're just going to go through and do that to all of the blend shapes. For a blink mechanic, we're going to look up blink, and it should be another thing for VRCFury blink controller. Add action, go to blend shape, and then find the blend shape that is labeled blink or whatever you have it set to. Now, a good way to check if you have what you need, a good way to check if your Visemes and blink mechanic work is going to your tools. Now, if you added gesture emulator or gesture manager, this should already pop up and you'll be good to go. And we're going to go to gesture manager and we're going to enter play mode. Oh, I messed up, my bad. All good. Go to go to states, and then you can go to Visemes and you can check out all of the sounds your thing will make. And you could see it works kind of right there. It's got some bugginess, I guess. I don't really know how to test all of that. And then you can also test if your armature is correct. And it is. So it should be fine. And it looks great. And you can just scroll in and wait for a second to see the blink happen. See. And it's basically it for that. Now, if you like to organize, I recommend doing this, and it's what I'm going to do. You can create an empty, and you can rename it to faces. And this is where the expression toggles are going to come in. You're going to drag that empty underneath your project. I usually put it at least like at the bottom or above the armature, or in between the armature and the body. And we're going to go to add component. We're going to look up toggle, and VRCFury is going to pop up. We're going to click on the menu path, and we're going to name it whatever you want for your expressions, faces, and then we're going to add a slash. Now what that's going to do is it's going to display the name faces that you can click on in your menu where you go to like toggle stuff on, and you can click on it and it'll have a whole subgroup inside of different toggles. You can click on this and do the save between worlds so it doesn't change when you swap worlds in VRChat. And then you want to go to enable exclusive tags. Now you can use the phrase xpog tog, but I found you can literally name it anything, so I'm going to name it. Hi, editor me popping in here just to explain what exclusive tags do. Basically, an exclusive tag is like a certain key phrase that you can put on a VRC toggle component, and it'll tell the component that, hey, when something else with the same tag is toggled on, this is off automatically, but when this toggle is turned on, the other toggle that was on previously automatically gets turned off. And it's a lot more easier to work with, especially with facial expressions, so you don't have blend shapes overlapping. Thank you for listening. Anyways, back to the video. Face. Then you're going to want to go to the, when toggle is enabled, blend shape. And it'll pop up that same thing we did for the blink and the Visemes, or Visemes, however it's pronounced. And that's basically the setup for the expression toggle. You want to this is right click on the component and copy component. And then you want to click on the search for blend shape stuff and find the face and link it up. And then copy component or paste component as new and find more faces to add. I'm going to add 3 to show you how it works. And then you see when one is toggled on, it'll cancel out. When it'll automatically turn off the other toggle that you have turned on when you click on the other one you want to have on. And that's basically how that works. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. Tune in for the next video.